Welcome to the Practice Buddy for Lesson 3. We're going to cover 7 exercises that are going to help you with the A7, the D, and the E minor chords. But first, a quick exercise. First finger, first fret on the first string. We're going to walk the fingers up. Here we go. First finger, first fret. Second finger, second fret. All down strokes with the right hand. Third finger, fourth finger. Now walk it back. And now go to the second string, same thing. Walk them up. Go back down. And then third string. Walk it back down. And fourth string. Just warming the fingers up. And then fifth string, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Bring it back down. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Sixth string, push. Go for clarity here. And bring it back down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're going to start with an A7 chord, strum, pick, strum. Here we go. So first finger, second finger, right down before the second fret of the fourth string, second fret of the second string, strum, and then pick, and strum. Notice I'm only strumming from the fifth string down. Okay, take the fingers off, put them back down, strum, pick, and strum. Major pitfall I see is right here on the third string. The first finger might get in the way, so rotate it up. And also the first string might get in the way with the second finger might get in the way of the first string, so rotate it. Okay, try it again. Lift them off. Put the fingers back down. Strum, pick, make sure that it's clear, and strum. Lift it off again. Put it back down. Strum, pick, and strum. And one more time. Lift it off. Put it back down, and we have a strum, a pick, and a strum. Now let's do the same thing with the D chord. So first finger, second finger, third finger, get the placement right. Strum, pick, strum, here we go. And we have a strum from the fourth string down. And then we pick individual strings, making sure everything's clear. And then another strum, very good. Then we're going to lift off the fingers, put them back down very slowly. Strum, checking each string. Pitfall I see here is the third finger sometimes comes down this way. Make sure you're not flattening the finger like that. You have to bend like so to make sure there's clearance for the first string. Okay, so let's try it again. Take the fingers off, put them back down. Make sure you're using the fingertips and strum, and then pick, and strum. Very good. Now take the fingers off again. Put them back down on the D chord, strum, and then pick, and strum. All right, one more time. Take the fingers off. Put them back down. Strum, and then pick, and one final strum. Okay, very nice. Now we're going to go to E minor and A7. We're going to do strum, pick, strums on each one, getting used to transitioning. So E minor chord, strum, pick, and strum. Okay. Now let's switch to the A7 chord. So first finger drops down 1 string, second finger drops down 2 strings, strum from the 5th string down, and then individual picks, and strum, making sure everything's clear. Now we're going to switch back up to the E minor chord, strum, and then pick, very nice, and strum once more. Drop the fingers down. First finger goes down 1 string, second finger goes down 2 strings, making sure you don't get in the way of the third and first strings, and that's why we check with the pick. Okay, good. Strum it again. Let's bring it back up to the E minor. Strum, and then pick, and strum. Very good. One more time on the A7 chord. Bring it down, strum, and then pick, and one final strum. We'll do it for that rep right there. Now we're going to go to the A7 to the D chord. Strum, pick, strum, starting on the A7. And here we go. Strum on the A7. from the 5th string down, 1 string at a time for the pick, and then strum it again to just clear it all out. And then we're going to move on over to the D chord. So what we're going to do here is drop the fingers down, put the 3rd finger down, and the D chord only has 4 strings. Pick each individual one and strum it again. Very nice. Moving back up to the A7 chord, strum, pick, going for clarity, and strum again. Okay, and then drop the fingers down. Add the 3rd finger, strum, pick, and strum. Now, of course, you could use the D6 chord if you're having trouble with the D, but I advise to switch over to the D chord as quickly as possible. Strum, pick, strum on the A7. And one final time on the D. Move the fingers down, drop the 3rd finger, strum, pick, and one final strum. We'll do it for that repetition. Next, we have D to E minor repetitions. So we're going to start on the D, we're going to go to the E minor, strum, pick, strums. Here we go. On the D chord, strum, pick, and strum. Now we're going to move all the way up to the E minor chord, put the fingers down, do a strum, a pick, and a strum. This is going to work out the transition from the D chord to the E minor chord. Strum, pick, strum on the D, and then we're going to switch right back to the E minor, strum, and pick, and strum. Okay, move back down to the D chord, strum, and then pick, and strum. Switching back to the E minor chord, strum, and then pick, and strum. You should be pretty good at that one by now. And moving back to the D chord, strum, pick, and strum. One more time on the E minor chord, strum, and then pick, and strum. Very nice. Next we're going to go E minor, A7, D. All of them are going to have whole note strums. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. A7 chord, 2, 3, 4. And D chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. A7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to the D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try tapping your foot. 1, tap, tap, tap. A7, 1, tap, tap, tap to the D. 1, tap, tap. Here we go. E minor again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2. One more time in E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4. Now, half note strums in E minor and A7, whole note strum on D, over and over again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. 1, 2, A7, 4, 2, 3, 4. This is the last exercise, so make it count. A7, D, 2, 3, 4. E minor, A7, and D, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last time. E minor, A7, and D. Very, very nice. Excellent work. All right, you made it through. Very nice work. And just want to say that the A7 and D might take a little bit of time to get used to until you get them up to par with the E minor chord, which by now should be pretty easy for you. So keep working out this video. Keep practicing them every single day, A7 to D, over and over again. Repetition is key. So every single time you repeat, you should be getting better and better and better. The main goal here is to be better than you were yesterday. So as long as you are doing that, you're going in the right direction. So very nice work. I will see you next time.